Hello friends, today I'll be demonstrating you how to send iMessages with special effects. So let me go to the iMessage. Here I'll be typing any test message. So you can notice this blue upward arrow key. Press it and hold it for few seconds to enable the special effects. Okay, so you can notice over here send with effects as bubble. Under bubble there are various options available: slam, loud, gentle and invisible link. Let me go through each and every option and show you how it works. So first of all we'll try with slam. So you can notice how it works. It makes your entire screen ripples. Let me replay it again. So you can easily notice that it is rippling your screen. Let me try the other option, the send with loud. So how it is working, it becomes a huge bubble and then it settles down. Next is the send with gentle option. So it gently comes up and then settles into the place. The last option is the invisible link. It's like a sending a secret message to someone. So here you can notice the person who has sent it, that person also is not able to view the message. Even the person who has received this is not able to view the message. So how you can view that message? You'll have to swipe it out. You can see now the message is visible to you, but in few seconds you can again notice that it becomes invisible. So it's like a secret message you are sending it to someone. So that's about sending message with bubble effects. Thanks everyone for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.